Now let us first check out what all material we need to create the beautiful bookmarks and Christmas and New Year special tags. For this one, we need any 300 GSM or above watercolor sheet that I am using. We will need any 3-4 color paper sheets, and I have cut them into long strips which resemble a bookmark. We need some watercolors of any company, one or two brushes, any Micron or any waterproof pen. So here I am using a Micron 0.3. We will need a punching machine and a scissors. So let us get started. Now for the purpose of the bookmarks, I have cut out my pieces. If I have to tell you the dimensions, let me tell you. The bigger strips that I have cut out are 5 cm by approximately 21 cm. For the tags, I have cut out 5 cm by approximately 10.5 cm. And the watercolor sheets that I have cut out 4 watercolor sheets. These are 4 cm by 15 cm. And for the tags, I have cut out 2 watercolor sheets of 4 cm by 7.5 cm. Now, keep aside these colorful sheets because this is the last what we are going to attach. All the attachment we are going to do absolutely in the end. First and the foremost, we are going to draw different things onto our watercolor sheets, and we are going to use our watercolors. So you can draw any figures of your choice. Here we'll be drawing the snowman. So right in the center, I'm using my Micron 0.3 to draw because this is not going to bleed. So and if you want, you can show a buckle. Now comes the muffler bit. So this is the muffler. Now comes the buttons. And the hands. So this way our snowman is created. Let us create all of them, and then we'll simply do watercolors quickly and we'll be done with our beautiful bookmarks for the purpose of New Year. Penguin with a hat here. A very little portion for the black face like this. Here we are doing the beak of the penguin, the eyes, now comes the body of the penguin below. Now let us create another kind of penguin here. In this we'll create 2 penguins, one below and one on top. So the lower penguin is wearing a cap. So this is a bigger work is being done on the bookmark. And I'm simply doing a muffler here. And we'll do a tiny penguin on top. Now next we are going to create a Santa. Let us create a cute Santa here. I'm going to create the Santa in the center. Now this is the nose. Now you simply take your watercolors and you can do the colors of your choice here. Now if you just want to create an effect below here, just take some white. You want to create the effect of snow, just dab, create a little green. In the same way, paint your small marker also and my big. Both of them are ready. Let us now paint our Santa. Now since it's a watercolor paper, the watercolors will blend very well. Now just plain water and little bit of blue. Now we'll simply stick these onto the center of these pieces that we have, and our beautiful bookmarks are going to be ready. You can stick them using any double-sided thin tape or any white glue that you have. At the bottom I have written this message using my brown pen, and I have created a punch on the top. So in this way, all my bookmarks are ready.
Do like our video and subscribe to our channel.